Are you tired of this 100-degree weather we're having? Well, sit back. This is a blast from the past. We hadn't had our YouTube channel very long when Danny picked up my phone and started recording. Maybe this will cool us off just a little bit. So enjoy.
So let's go out and do a few chores this morning. Wind chill's about, I don't know, 10 or 12 degrees. I just yanked the camera around. I got my little wood up on the porch. Hope to do several days. We're supposed to get, I don't know, they don't really know, 4 to 6 inches. Got a tree out here. It's so cold I didn't get it busted up yet. I'm gonna go in here and I think I left my feed bucket. I don't know what I've done with it. There it is, inside here in the corn. Black oil sunflower seeds. I'm gonna make y'all dizzy with this camera, I know, but it is what it is. I'm not no professional cameraman. Got bird flying off the back of it there. Put a little bit out here on the ground. It's fine snow right now. Fine and cold. We may have about 3 inches right now. Greenhouse. We took all the plants inside, so we got plants everywhere in the house. It was just getting so cold that we had a little heater and a heat bulb and everything in there, but it's getting so cold it's like trying to heat outside because it's not an insulated building. Can't even see the pond down there. It's iced over and snowed over now, and it just looks like everything's white, don't it? Down the drive. There's Hope Cottage. We're gonna go up here and let the chickens out. Got about a 10-mile-an-hour wind right now. And you can see, even though the vehicle and boats under the shed, that fine snows are blowing everywhere. Blowing up under there. Blowing all inside my boat. I put me a tarp over my pickup just so it'd be a little easier to clean off when time comes. Check in here and make sure the lights are still working in the pump house while I'm out here. See what the temperature is in here while I'm looking. Looks like it's keeping it about near 40 degrees in there, them lights on. That's good. Don't want no water freezing up. We'll go out here and let the chickens out. Feed them. Like a bird's in here trying to eat on a little bit of chicken feed. I've got a rope here, string, little rope, connected in there to a pulley system. This kind of weather, I don't open the front door for them. I've got water inside. Actually, it's a dog water. It plugs in, keeps the water warm, keeps it from freezing. Don't really keep it warm, it just keeps it from freezing. And pull that up, hook it over here to a screw on the side of the tree. Chickens don't act like they want to come out of there this morning, do they? I can hear them in there. Go ahead and get them some feed. It looks like there's probably about 3 inches of snow up there on them. on my lids here. Got some laying crumbles, about 16% protein. You can see I got stuff up here. That's my work truck there. Our little mule. Got my tractor all out there under another shed. And it's a snowing on everything under there because of the wind. I got a little homemade trough in here. You can see I got this part over here under the feeding area, under 10, and open this little trough up. I just got a little trough here that I made. Gravity feeds. They sure ain't wanting to come out down there today, are they? They said, nope, it's too cold. This is probably one of the very much of snow, and surely it's the coldest weather that these hens have ever seen. They're my 2-year-old hens. Take a little bit of feed out here to the ducks. Put them little feet in here. Got me a little bit of feed for the birds up here. Give them a little bit of chicken feed this morning, just a little bit. Put it out here on the ground. For sure, winter in the Ozarks. We ain't had this kind of cold weather in many years to stay this cold this long. More like winters used to be when I was in high school, when I was a young kid even. Birds are gonna come in there and get something to eat and me standing here. They don't care, they're hungry. Well, I've been outside long enough. It's time to go in. I'm sure Miss Lori's in there cooking me some breakfast. Got me some coffee made and I'm ready. Supposed to get some more of this, another 6 inches or so, a couple of days.
Well, I hope that cooled y'all down for a few days. I know it did me. We still got a long couple of weeks with a lot of hot weather, but we're going to make it, aren't we? So I just thought this would be fun. I brought this out of the archives. Oh, it's been so hot. And just watching that snow and Danny walk through it just cooled me down. So I thought y'all might enjoy it. We've been really busy this week, and we'll be back with you in a couple of days. I hope y'all have had a beautiful week, and y'all have a wonderful weekend. We love y'all, and y'all be safe. God bless everybody. See you in a few days. Bye-bye.